Hello friends, myself Professor Pratibha Dai from KKV College Senior KKV College Sanduri. Today we are going to learn about the assembler chapter from the system programming. See, firstly we have to see what will be the meaning of assembly language programming. Writing a program in assembly language is more convenient than in machine language. Assembly language is more readable. Assembly language is machine dependent. Assembly program is written using symbols, that is mnemonics. Assembly program is translated into machine code before execution. That this is the block diagram of assembler. It gives an idea about the assembler. If we pass assembly language program to assembler, it converts it into the machine language code. Okay, see elements of assembly language. See what will be the elements required for it. Firstly, it requires mnemonics operation code, second symbolic operand, and third one data declaration. Mnemonic operation code, these are from the instruction set table. It eliminates the need to memorize numeric operation code. For example, MOVR, that is the mnemonic and its code is 04. If we are using MOVR, then its code is not needed to remember. Second one is the symbolic operands. Means whenever we require symbolic operand, we can use it. Third one, data declaration. We can declare data by using any type of integer value, minus 5, 10.5, any one. This is the statement format of assembly language. See a label, opcode, operand specification and other operand specification can you put in the instruction format. Where label is optional, opcode symbolic opcode, operand symbolic name, and it will be register or the memory. This is the one example of the instructions. See, this instruction table gives you an idea which are the instructions will be used in assembly language. See, from the stop to print, total 11 instructions are used and their respective operation code is given in the table. Stop, add, sub, mult, movar, movem, counts, bc, div, read and print, and respective codes are 0001 and so on up to 10. See what's the meaning of stop? It stop the execution. Addition perform the addition of two numbers and store it in the operand one. Subtraction also do the subtraction of two numbers and also store the result into the operand one. Multiplication also multiplication will be performed and store it in the operand one. Movar will be store memory operand into the register operand. Movem will store CPU register operand into the memory operand. And compare sets condition code. BC branch on condition. Division perform of two numbers and store its result into the operand one. Read is used to take the input from the user, that is operand to value, and print is outputs the operand to value. That is the instruction table. Then this the instruction format: sign, opcode, register operand, memory operand. See, sign means those instructions are insensitive. That instruction sign will be plus. For example, assembly language, machine language program. See, find addresses of variables and labels. Replace all symbolic address by numeric address. Replace symbolic opcodes by machine opcode. Reverse storage of for data. See, this is the example. Here you can see this is assembly language program. Start 101, read x, read y, move r, arrange x, add arrange y, move m, arrange result, print result, stop xyz. Xy result will be declared by ds, that direct symbol statement. Its length is respectively 1 and end of the program. See, this simple program will convert into the machine code by assembler in the simple way. Like, see, in this case, firstly we have to declare location counter or program counter. In this case, location counter is given starting from 101. If not given in the program, you can select any integer. Maximum value is 999. Okay, then you can increment the location counter or program counter. See, those instructions which we are not giving the location counter and program counter, that are assembler directives, means start, end, LTRG, EQ and origin. These instruction we are not assigning any location counter, and other than these instruction we are setting the location counter. Now see, in the example we have to set 101, 102, 103, 104 respectively up to 110. See here, direct symbol which are declared whose length is 1, that's why only incremented by 1. If there will be the more length, as per that we are incrementing the location counter. See again, in front of it, those instruction which I have told you, assembler directive, that are not converted into the machine code, and DS and DC statement that can be stored, converted into machine code. In what way, I will told you. See, firstly, read code is 09. First operand is never here, either memory or condition, that's why I take 0, and X address is 108. You can see in the figure. So 108 taken, therefore read X memory of code is 090108. Same way we can create movm arrange result code. Movm is a 05, that's why 05. Arrange is 0, result address is 10110, that's why 110 is taken. And stop is 00, there is no any operand 1 and operand 2, that's why all zeros will be there. How to take DS? See, if DS will be there, then compulsory take 000, but that are not the case sensitive, or instruction will be not sensitive instruction, that why here not taken that code. If DC will be used, then directly those constant will be declared in front of DC, that constant will be taken directly into the machine code. Okay, have you understood what's the meaning of assembly, what's the purpose of assembler, how it takes the source code as input, and how to it convert into the machine code. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you so much.